The question that we've been asked is, when I click on the document generation button, I see this new tool called AI tool. What can it do? Now, as you know, in uLaw, we've been working on AI tools for a few months now, actually for a year, and we've been trying to train generative AI models for legal world. Now we are going to the next role where these models can be your some form of an assistant. Look at this as your assistant, where you can give him or her a task to compose a letter, and they come back with an early draft. Now, like, the draft is not a final draft, but finalized version, but you have something to work with. And this is where AI can be of great use. So let's look at this closing letter. You want to draft a quick closing letter. You can put a few things here, about your balance. Don't worry about spelling mistakes. Just give it like a view of what it needs to work on, right? Like, you got a favorable judgment, and a settlement check is coming, and you are looking for more referrals, right? And you can just put that. And what the software can do, the AI can do, is work with you to give you like a good head start, right? AI does have bias, so be careful when you use this tool, and you can use it again and again, and every time you use it, you're going to get a completely different document, right? And as you see here, it tries to get you started, right? Now it's put a few things that you may not like, and then because this is Word, you can just get rid of it, and you can say, hey, I'm pleased to inform you that we received a favorable judgment from the judge. The settlement check is expected to arrive in a few days. We hope to continue working with you, and we'll be grateful if you could refer to us more clients, right? And also just pay us the invoice, right? It kind of gives you like a head start on a document that you want, right? And we have put together this tool that can work on retainer replenishment, non-engagement letters, and closing letters. So that's our stuff. So to summarize, as you see here, under AI tools, you can just click and you can select the document of your choice. We expect that you will give us something to play with, and you can choose it to be elaborate, simple. That's how you make it more creative. You can put it in PDF, but we generally recommend Word or a stylish Word, even more a better styled template, and you can just hit the download. This will basically let the AI engine work for you and give you like a good head start with this document, so you don't have to focus on the basics, and you can focus on improvising the content. As you see here, like another example where it's written even more elaborate, and it gives you a good way to start. Like as you see here, it's kind of like started you well, and you can take it from there.